channel. In today's video I'm going to be hauling some stationery items for you. I'm so excited. No one should get this excited about stationery, but this is genuine excitement. I'm going to be unboxing the new Rifle Paper Planner for 2020-2021. I cannot wait to show this thing to you. It is beautiful. This video is brought to you in partnership with the Paper Parlour. This website is absolutely stunning. The Paper Parlour is a greetings, gift and stationery website that stocks the most beautiful brands, including Kate Spade, Papaya Art, Coeco pens and so much more. The reason why I love this website so much is that they are UK stockists of US brands like Rifle Paper Company and Ban.do that are a bit more difficult to find in the UK. And if you shop on the website now and use the code PAPER10, you can get 10% off any order over £25. So let's get into the haul. So as you can see, I am impatient and I had to open the box before filming just to take a peek. But each item is individually wrapped, so I haven't seen them yet. I wanted to film first impressions for you. But I love the little sticker on the box. It just makes for a nicer package to receive, and these are little touches that I love about this website. Every time I've ordered from the Paper Parlour, items come in pristine condition, and that's because they are so thoughtfully packaged with care with these little polystyrene puffs. Each order comes with a card with contact and social media details and a picture on the back. I have this entire set of Rifle paper washi, which I got from this website. It is so pretty. And then there's a lovely little postcard with a personal message on the back from the seller. Digging around for these items was like Christmas. Every item is individually wrapped. And this is what I love about shopping on these websites when I can, rather than on a site like Amazon. The experience of receiving a parcel is just so much more personal and a bit more meaningful and just much more enjoyable to unbox. I mean, look at how nicely this planner has been wrapped up like a gift. So lovely. So I'll save opening the diary till last and start with these items. So the first thing that I got is some washi tape by Ban.do, and this set is called the Stick With It paper tape set in the design Garden Party, and this is one of my favourite designs by Ban.do. This is the first time I've ever used the Ban.do washi tapes, but they look fabulous. So the first piece of washi just says it will all work out, which is a very nice message. Then the next one is this beautiful iridescent design. I hope the light picks this up because it's so pretty, the colours that shine from this bit of washi tape. Yes, it does. And the last is my absolute favourite. I'm a sucker for floral washi tape, and this is the Garden Party design. Extremely pretty washi tapes. And they go beautifully together. So, opening the next little parcel. I had just painted my nails, by the way, so I was having some real trouble opening these. So the next item I got was this Rifle Paper Company terracotta pocket notebook set with two beautiful designs. I love these small notebooks because they fit so well into binders and into a personal size file of facts. If you see my planner setup, you'll see that I use these little notebooks in the back of my planner. Don't get me wrong, I do love a chunky notebook, but these little ones are so useful, especially to chuck in your handbag. And I love this terracotta design because it will go so well with that iridescent Ban.do washi tape. So it's just plain paper inside, and I use these to jot down any quick to-dos when I'm out and about. These notebooks are so useful. So the next item, when it makes an appearance, is the Ban.do sticky note set called Be You Not Them. I have had every one of these sticky notepads for the past 3 or 4 years. I love these desk pads. The designs are always so pretty and they match across the range as well. These have a really sturdy back as well, so they sit really nicely on your desk and last long, so you can just pull off your sticky note and jot down your notes. Okay, people, now on to the planner. Quick question as well. Does anybody else open their presents like this? Or is that just me? If it is just me, I'm a strange woman. And there it is. This planner is truly beautiful. So this is the Rifle Paper Company 17-month 2020 to 2021 mid-year planner, and this beautiful design is called Strawberry Fields. It has monthly and weekly calendar pages, sticker sheets, sections for notes and contacts, a pocket folder, a ruler and more. And the size of this is just perfect. I also love this design because the spirals are hidden. It looks so clean and tidy. So pretty. This is actually the first Rifle Paper planner that I've owned, so I hope the camera is doing justice to how beautiful this thing is. So, inside the planner, it has a cover page with the brand name and this beautiful design, which I think you can colour in. I think it's intended for you to do that. I'm not actually 100% sure, but I kind of like it just as it is. It's so pretty. And then on the inside cover, you've got space for your name as well. I really like the colour of this paper as well. It's quite a warm cream colour. The tabs are so well laminated. They're quite thick, so they'll last well. That's a pet peeve of mine is diaries like this that haven't got lamination, because the tabs just fold up and look messy after about a day or two. So the first section is a year at a glance, and you see 2021 and 2022, which is always useful to have. Look at the design on the back of these. Absolutely stunning. You can definitely colour these in, but I like them just as they are. It is just a very well made planner, and again these tabs are so well laminated. The next section is important dates, and there's a whole list here. Some of these are American, but some I will definitely use for work, especially for planning content for the year. And then on the next page you have plenty of space for your own personal dates, birthdays, campaigns, anything like that you want to do. And then here's this lovely design again. It's so gorgeous. Okay, the next section is note section, and there's a decent amount of sheets here for space for taking notes. The next section is the monthlies, and I know monthlies are a big deal, and these monthlies are perfect. They're just like I like them, plain and simple. You have a month to view across 2 pages spread, so you can see them nice and clearly. And there is a previous month in the top left corner and the next month in the top right corner. But these are a really nice size as well. The boxes are nice and big, so you can get quite a bit of information in them as well. And there is even space on the right hand side for taking notes. Then we get on to our weekly sections, and this is a 17-month agenda, so it runs from August to December. Each month has lots of space for lists, notes, to-dos, etc. And I'm actually going to use this planner for my business and for planning content for social media. So having those little boxes to tick off tasks makes it a perfect setup. And I love that it's a week to view as well. Week to views are my favourite because I like seeing my week clearly spread across 2 pages instead of having to flick from page to page to see what's going on. I also really like this column layout because that's how I write my notes for each day. I split them up into 2 columns in morning and evening. So it's good that it's already laid out that way. So that is the month of August, and it continues monthly through the 17 months. So after all of the weeklies, there is a contact section with space for name, address, email address, and even more. And I actually use this section to note down different companies that I might work with, different businesses, contacts like that. So I've got a clear separate list that I can refer to as well as having them on my phone. The next section, my planner people, is stickers. I don't know what's happened to me recently, but I have gone sticker mad, and look at this burst of colour. The rest of the planner is quite plain, so it's really nice to have this classic Rifle Paper Company design of colour and florals to add to the planner. It is so pretty. You get 3 pages worth as well, which is quite good. I've seen some planners where you only get 1 sheet and it's finished after a couple of months. So having 3 sheets is very good. And it's full of stickers. There are so many to spot. It's just beautiful to look through. I love these floral motifs and those little hair clip stickers. These are like classic Rifle Paper Company design, which I just love. I could sit here for ages just looking through all these stickers, because on a page like this it's easy to miss some. But it's a really gorgeous edition, and I love that they've got their different sort of designs on there, like the convertible car, the weightlifting lady. They've just put so many elements of rifle paper in here, and I just love it. Then at the back of the planner, there's this sturdy piece of card, and this has a ruler on it. And it's also got space on the front for a pocket and space on the back for a pocket. And that is the beautiful new mid-year planner from Rifle Paper Company. So I just wanted to show you here, this is why I love these little notebooks, because they slip so nicely into binders like this. And this binder has some space for the notebooks as well, and fits in there like a glove. So do let me know what you think about these beautiful items in the comments below, and especially what you think about this beautiful planner for 2021. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more stationery and planner videos. Again, thanks to the wonderful Paper Parlour for partnering with me on this video. Until my next one, take care.